What's up, guys? I'm back with another video today, and today I'm talking about WWE TLC 2012, and I'm just going to skip straight to it. CM Punk is not wrestling at TLC. It's been informed on WWE.com that he is injured. He has he's been having knee surgery because of what Ryback did on the past Monday Night Raw. Whenever he hit him with a ladder, hit him with a chair, put him through the table. And Mr. McMahon announced on WWE.com that there will be a 6-man TLC tag match. Team Hell No versus, Team Hell No and Ryback versus The Shield. And the reason because of CM Punk, he's not fighting for the WWE Championship. We could just tell that Royal Rumble 2012 Rock versus CM Punk is happening, so it's obvious right now. So, Rock vs. CM Punk is happening. It's official, really, because nobody's going to take the title away from him before Royal Rumble. Royal Rumble is the next pay-per-view, and like I said, CM Punk is not wrestling. It's been breaking news. Mr. McMahon talked about it, about how he's injured, he still has going through knee surgery from what Ryback did. And this has been a real quick video telling y'all why CM Punk is not fighting at TLC.